Hello and welcome to Bank Read. In this video you'll get to know about distressed debt and insolvency and bankruptcy code evolution of IBC along with recommendations. So let's get started. Distressed debt. Distressed securities area unit securities over firms or government entities that area unit experiencing money or operational distress, default, or area unit below bankruptcy. As so much as debt securities, this can be referred to as distressed debt. The deliberate investment in distressed securities as a method whereas doubtless profitable incorporates an important level of risk because the securities could become rubbishy, and thus needs important levels of resources and experience to research every instrument and assess its position in an issuer's capital structure at the side of the chance of final recovery. The distressed securities investment strategy exploits the very fact several investors area unit unable to carry securities that area unit below investment grade. Some investors have deliberately used distressed debt as an alternate investment, wherever they obtain the debt at a deep discount and aim to appreciate a high come if the corporate or country doesn't go bankrupt or expertise defaults. The key consumers of distressed securities area unit usually giant institutional investors. WHO have access to stylish risk management resources like hedge funds, personal equity companies, and units of investment banks. Investment strategy. The distressed securities investment strategy exploits the very fact several investors area unit unable to carry securities that area unit below investment grade. Some investors have deliberately used distressed debt as an alternate investment, wherever they obtain the debt at a deep discount and aim to appreciate a high come if the corporate or country doesn't go bankrupt or expertise defaults. Risk management. By 2006, the raised quality in distressed debt hedge fund semiconductor diode to arise within the range of benchmark performance indexes. Extremely specialized risk analysts and consultants in the credit area unit key to the success of different investments like distressed debt investment. Typically, the investors in distressed securities should build an associate in nursing assessment not solely of the issuer's ability to boost its operations, however conjointly whether or not the restructuring method can profit one category of securities over another. Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. The Financial Condition and Bankruptcy Code, 2016, IBC, is that the bankruptcy law of Bharat that seeks to consolidate the prevailing framework by making one law for financial condition and bankruptcy. The Financial Condition and Bankruptcy Code, 2015 was introduced in Lok Sabha in Gregorian calendar month 2015. Insolvency resolution. The code outlines separate financial condition resolution processes for people, firms and partnership companies. The method is also initiated by either the individual or the creditors. A most cut-off date for completion of the financial condition resolution method has been set for corporate and people. Financial Condition Regulator. The code establishes the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of Bharat to administrate the financial condition proceedings within the country and regulate the entities registered thereunder. The board can have 10 members, as well as representatives from the Ministries of Finance and Law, and also the Federal Reserve Bank of Bharat. Insolvency professionals. The financial condition method is going to be managed by accredited professionals. These professionals also will manage the assets of the individual throughout the financial condition method. Bankruptcy and Financial Condition Adjudicator. The code proposes two separate tribunals to administrate the method of financial condition resolution for people and companies. I. The National Company Law Code for firms and liability partnership firms, and 2. The Debt Recovery Code for people and partnerships. Evolution of IBC. In Code 2016, the Financial Condition and Bankruptcy Code, IBC, was placed in situ to subsume this downside. 3 years later, its success has been middling. According to a United Nations agency statement, IBC has improved the recovery rate of stressed assets to 48th in 2 years from 26th within the pre-IBC era. visible of projected amendments. It's still youth for implementation figures to produce deeper analysis. Recommendations to boost the IBC proceedings. There may be a have to be compelled to increase the number of appointments of judicial members/experts. More NCLT benches of the adjudicating authority would enhance the method. Background checks in terms of conflict and integrity ought to be in dire straits financial condition professionals, with timelines being set to finish proceedings. Information utilities, IUs, play an important role in terms of providing clear proof of default. IBC has the sole registered IU, National E-Governance Services Restricted. Knowledge integrity and additional IUs ought to support the method. The community of creditors plays an important role within the resolution method. Thus it becomes crucial for COG to figure dynamically with the financial conditions skill to revive the corporate. Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code in Bharat has observed that the social control can manifest itself if the stressed assets in an exceedingly company surpass a limit. However, there will be a chance of somebody exploitation willful defaults for a profitable haircut also. However, those cases area unit terribly rare. To create the financial condition method SANDA, there is a desire to extend the amount of appointments of judicial members and also the range of NCLT benches of the adjudicating authority. Deepak Bhavnani, Chief Executive Officer and Founder, LA Consulting, told Samrat Sharma of Monetary Categorical Online in Associate in Nursing interview. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something valuable today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon to be the first one to get the notification of all the upcoming videos.